All right, getting through our warm-up drill. Trying to swivel, reach up, throw it right to our partner. This is a triangle drill. Do it faster, focus, don't drop the ball. Good catch.
Oh, my bad.
All right, Nick, move back 2 more steps. All right, here we go. You have to release. Have to get it right to your partner's chest. All right, now we're doing the football throw. Let's see if we can get that spiral going. Let's see if we can swivel and make a penetrating throw. This definitely helps with your rotation on your serve. All right, move back halfway, right there, same drill. Get that elbow up, show me. Good, now turn your core and swivel. There. That wasn't bad. Get the ball toss in the right spot. Let's see if his feet are swiveling. Excellent. Swivel. Excellent. Okay, you're off the board. Perfect. Feel it?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, on to the toss and catch. Higher, toss. Now, swivel, take your arm, everything to the left first, just a little more. No, no, do it again. Stop. To the left. Swivel this way.
Oh, okay. So like...
Yes, Gavin. Yes. Okay, now come here and look at Kyrios's motion. Good. Now bend just a little more.
Okay.
And swivel your hips. Good. Do you hear that pop? That's compressing the ball. Compress that ball. Good, Lauren. Quit moving your head. Good. Nice serve. Gav, I love your motion. Swivel. Good. Now, no spin. Flat. Whoops, miss hit. No miss hit. Look at the ball. Get the ball in the right spot. Swivel.
Once you compliment me, I do horrible.
Get that right leg back farther and then jump up. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, it's too far off.
All right, we got the drum going. We're doing some video. Gavin's in control. Nick is serving, and Lauren is next. Hi, Lauren.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Look at the leg. Step up, bend. Now, do a flat one too.
Flat.
Good, now do a kick and brush. Screw yourself into the court, ball over your head.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Wait.
Good, now look at the ball.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it down.
Okay. Why is it wigging out?
It's just